Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Subnautica 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off camera shake or the camera bobbing option. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica 2 on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, you can either continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you can go into settings directly. If you are within your game, then pause the game and go into settings. From here, you can now go into accessibility, where you will now see the camera bobbing option. If this is set to on, then the camera will move up and down while you are swimming. So you can turn this either on or off based on your desire. Once you have chosen your selected option, you can press escape to go back and your changes will be saved. And now you can continue to play your game with your chosen camera bob settings. You can change this at any point of time by once again following the same steps by going into settings and then accessibility. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off camera bobbing or shaking on the Subnautica 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.